Kolgewadi, the small village surrounded by hills in Patan Tehsil and Satara district of Maharashtra. Population there is merely 900. If you visit personally, then you can find this number even less. That means you can rarely see a male person in house. The reason for this condition is unemployment. And rain-fed agriculture, how someone can expect to spend a whole year with such inadequate production of food grain? Rain is uncertain here, so youth of this village have migrated to Mumbai in search of job. This picture was not fair. Hard-working people were there, but no work. Monsoon gives heavy rain, but water runs away. Due to lack of irrigation system, land was not productive. But people loved their land for long. This was the condition. But the year 2002 had brought a revolutionary change in the history of Kolgewadi. Maharashtra government's agriculture department. This new era was dawned. This was the water age. As the village was surrounded by hills, rainfall is quite enough. But the problem was quick flow without use. So the need was to store this water and use it for agricultural purpose. Officers in agriculture department visited Kolgewadi time to time. Farmers were guided in various aspects. At last, picture in minds of all emerged of irrigation system. Centrally sponsored Western Ghat Development Program has built 105 masonry gully plugging and 70 meters long 2 water harvesting structures. These 2 water tanks, which were built on the hill slope, stored most of water. This prevented discharge of water. Due to these reservoirs, Kolgewadi had continued flow of water for the year. But the problem was that flowing water was not utilized for agricultural purpose. There was need to prevent wastage of water also. Agricultural department began wholehearted efforts. The officers decided to use every drop of water in Kolgewadi. And in the year 2005, March, Kolgewadi had a diversion bandhara. With the help of agriculture department, what is this diversion bandhara? Where it should be located? It should be located on the nalas from which water should be continuously flow, at least up to February. First of all, flowing water is stored with the help of cement stone wall. There are 2 doors in this bandhara. There is a big hole on one side for a flow of water in the open channel. When there is no need of water, it is allowed to flow through these doors. When water is needed for agriculture purpose, these doors are closed with the help of wooden planks. Special adjustment was made to fit these wooden planks. After closing, the water level increases and the water flows through the hole in the open channel. This water, with the help of gravity, transformed to various farms through open channel. This diversion bandhara, which cost around rupees 1,50,000, has stopped wastage of water in Kolgewadi. With the help of open channel, water is now reaching farms. Approximately 25 acres of land is irrigated in both seasons. But officers in agricultural department were not yet satisfied. They wanted to prevent the loss of water through seepage in open channel. And here began a different and innovative project in Kolgewadi. Diversion bandhara is old concept. What is new in Kolgewadi? After seeing the loss of water due to open channel and wastage of water when this channel was closed, officers proposed an innovative idea to take water through PVC pipeline. Then certainly more land can be irrigated with limited water. But there is a lot of difference in thinking and action. As estimated, money was spent in constructing Bandhara. Then, from where money would come for pipeline? It required at least rupees 50,000, apart from labor cost. But agriculture department officers did not deviate from their stand. Their aim was to save the water and irrigate more and more land. So they decided to approach the villagers. At the annual festival of Mahashivratri, the villagers gathered in Mauli Mata Mandir, including Mumbai migrated villagers too. Officers' tireless efforts were rewarded when they presented the idea of contribution by the villagers, and the usefulness of the pipeline project was accepted. People participated so enthusiastically that their contribution gathered rupees 60,000. Material was bought. But what next? This question also was skillfully solved by the officers. They presented the idea of Shramadhan to the villagers. This Shramadhan idea was also enthusiastically accepted by the villagers. They completed this project. Now digging and fitting of pipeline began. Slope of 10 inches is given to pipeline for 100 feet with all scientific system. This Mauli Mata Sahakari Pani Purotha Samstha Maryadit Kolgewadi Kalgaon took its form. Wall to pass the air and wall to start and shut the water flow was joined to pipe. At various places, the pipeline outlet or the chambers were formed. Pipeline was completed and it started water revolution. Procedure is very simple. First, cap on diversion Bandhara's hole should be opened. Then start the wall. Then one should open the cap in farm chamber. Without electricity, without any expenditure, with the help of the pipeline, water reaches to farms. People were astonished. They could not believe their eyes. This water was sacred Ganga for them. They worshipped this water. Dream came to reality in Kolgewadi. Importance of cooperation and participation and positive leadership right from agricultural officers of agriculture department, Mantralayan officers and local leaders have helped this scheme to realize. Villagers are very happy now. Migrated laborers working outside have come back to their villages. Land is now irrigated for 8 months and yields good crops. Unlike other bandharas, water is not wasted through open channel. But here, that water is to be stored and provided to 46 acres in Kharif and 25 acres in Rabi land now. Not only rice, but wheat, gram and flowers like marigold also are taken. Today, Sri Mauli Mata Sahakari Sheti Pani Purotha Samstha is situated in Kolgewadi. This water system charges only rupees 30 per hour to provide water for irrigation. When water reaches the farm, the time is noted down with the help of clock. This money is used in management and maintenance of pipeline system. Thus, this is innovative project started with contribution of people, by the people and for the people, which uses every drop of water to see this innovative and new system. Various honorable guests of various departments visited the Kolgewadi project. The villagers themselves asked the officers about different schemes and crops. Kolgewadi has benefited due to efforts of people's contribution, and crops in the farm of Kolgewadi stand with bumper harvest and thank everybody who tried to make the dream fulfilled. Akar Charitable Trust Mumbai has visited this project on 28th January 2006. Committee included Chairman Srimati Amala Ruiya. They have presented prestigious Akar Jal Puraskar, a state level second prize for working innovative program in Kolgewadi. It was presented on 21st February 2006 at the hand of Magsaysay Award winner Sri Rajendra Singh Ji and Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Sri R.R. Patil. Award included rupees 75,000 cash and memento.